Here are some special Google searches you should know. Google's search function isn't limited to just finding websites. You can use the same search box to perform calculations, find flight information, and even tune your guitar. Here are a few less known features of Google Search that you should be using. You can find additional tips at How to Geek. Just follow the link listed. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and get involved. Google Search can help you find your flight information. Just substitute your from and to destinations. For me, I wanted a flight from Long Beach, California back to Albuquerque, New Mexico. Need help tracking your packages? Just paste or type your tracking number into the search box. After selecting the Track via UPS option, I received the tracking information. You can also use Google Search to view real-time stock prices. Keep tabs on checking stock prices can be difficult if you don't have the right tool. Luckily, if you have access to Google, you can view the real-time price of your specified stocks. To use this method, enter your stock ticker symbol on Google and it'll tell you the price. For example, enter the following for the Amazon stock, AZN for Amazon, and there is your price. You not only can get your flight prices, but you can also view flight status. Google Search lets you track your flight by simply using your flight number as the tracking number. For example, to find details about Virgin Atlantic flight VS103, all you have to do is enter the following on Google. You'll see the flight departure and arrival times, current location, gate information, and a lot more. Use Google Search to check the current time at any city. If your personal or professional life requires communication with people living in different time zones, you can use Google Search to quickly find a specific city's current time. For example, to know what time it is right now in Los Lunas, type the following on Google Search. Once it's typed in, within seconds, here is your answer. You can also use Google to find products in a specific price range. Google makes it super easy to find any product you want, and using the site's price filter, you can make getting to the exact item you need even easier. This filter lets you find only the products that fall in or around your price range. For example, if you are looking for a laptop in the price range of $500 to $800, you'd enter the following on Google, and you will have lots of choices. You can also use Google to filter your search results by date. Google Search allows you to filter your displayed search results by date, letting you find information that has happened in a specific time range. To use that feature, first perform your search on Google as you normally would, and then on the search results page, click Tools at the top. From there, select that down arrow, either for any time or all results, and you'll have other things that you can select. It's that easy. You can also use Google Search Engine to help you view your public IP address. Sometimes you need your device's public IP address to perform certain network-related tasks. If you aren't sure how to find that information, or you want to make it easier to view your IP, enter the following on Google. Simply enter my space IP space address, and it will show you the results. In my case, that might seem strange because I'm aboard a cruise ship and I'm using their internet access. Those are just some of the interesting uses of Google Search that you should be using to make your life a bit easier. Happy Google searching! Stay safe, stay secure, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.